Hello students. Hope you're all good and enjoying these online classes. So students, today we'll continue our interaction on chapter 1 of economics titled Development. This video is going to be a quick recap video of the topics we have covered so far. We started first of all with the first topic, what development promises, different people, different goals. In this topic, we learned number 1 that different persons can have different development goals. We learned through various examples like the development goals of a casual daily wage laborer would be very different from the development goals of an urban rich girl. So hence we concluded that different persons can have different development goals. Another thing we realized was that what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other, as we have learned through the example of the multipurpose river valley projects, wherein dams, when constructed, are very beneficial for the industrialist as they get regular power supply for their industries. But it becomes destructive for those tribals and natives who live nearby and are displaced. Their lands get submerged. So what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. We further discussed another topic which was income and the other goals. Now, in this topic, we discussed and noticed one common thing. What people desire is regular work, better wages, decent price for their products. In other words, we can say that they want more income. But besides seeking more income, people also seek other goals, which are family, friends, freedom, equal treatment, respect for all, opportunity to learn. Now, what we learn from here is that these goals are equally important. Friends play a very important role in our life, but money cannot give you friends. Material goods is not all that one need to live. Quality of our life also depends on non-material things. Like I just mentioned that money will not give you friends. It may give you flatterers who just say right things about you and never give you their critical opinion. So, there are many things that are not easily measured. These are non-measurable goals. Freedom, equal treatment, respect, all these are non-measurable goals. But just because they are non-measurable, it does not mean that they are not important. Hence, we concluded that non-measurable goals are equally important as income. Finally, we discussed that for development, people also look at a mix of goals, wherein we discussed the examples of the women who are engaged in paid work. Once a woman starts working outside the household domain, she gets a dignity and economic respect, economic independence in the society. Now, she does not need an opportunity to work. It is equally important for her to be respected in her workplace, to have a safe and secure environment in which she can work, and the share of her domestic work should also be shared by the family members. Hence, we concluded that for development, people look at a mix of goals. So, students, this was a quick recap of the two topics we have done. Very soon, we'll have another video which will discuss about national development and how to compare countries on the basis of development. Thank you. Have a nice day.